What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the series Cooking with Cars. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I just want to do this because I always wanted to do it. I'm definitely going to do one more with doing a salmon, because what we're doing, as you see by the title, we're doing chicken today. But I don't know, the whole Cooking with Cars thing for me came from, I don't know, it came from when I was like 8, 10 years old. I was watching a show. I think it was Alaskan something. It was a company. It was a gun company in Alaska. They're doing a show on it. I forgot what it was called. I think Alaska Frontier or something, maybe something like that. But in there showed a guy that cooked salmon on the way to work in his truck, put it on his exhaust manifold. So, just was thinking about it, I was like, wait, going by that, I want to do chicken. I definitely want to do maybe scallops. I love scallops. Maybe do like a broiled scallop, like put them in tinfoil. You know, we have put them in tinfoil. They're not gonna put them on the exhaust manifold, but I don't know, we're definitely gonna do seafood. I want to try a couple things. So we're gonna do a series on this, but we're gonna get this chicken all settled up. We're not gonna cook all this. I think we're only gonna use 1 or 2 pieces, because we're gonna chop these breasts into 2. So just basically cooking 1 breast in total. Maybe we'll do like 1 on each side of the motor. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna season them up and throw them in tin foil, and we'll put them in the fridge for tomorrow when I go down to my grandfather. Got our 2 pieces right here. Now we're gonna season them up. Alright guys, so here's our ingredients. We got olive oil, we got garlic, we got pepper, and we got some cayenne pepper, which is basically just your red peppers on pizza, just ground it up. Alright, got them all seasoned up. Now we're just gonna wrap them up. I'm actually using a wrapped up good, so. Alright guys, we got our chicken all seasoned, wrapped, double wrapped. I have to go wait for tomorrow, and we'll have chicken to cook. Alright guys, so I'm cooking my chicken right there. We're putting it right by the headers. And hopefully it doesn't fall out. I'm going to school actually now, which I'll explain in the car actually in 1 second. So guys, so the story behind why it's actually laid out. I think last time I said I was going to be cooking this when I go to my grandparents or my boat or whatever I said I was going to do Saturday, which or Friday I think it was, but Friday became like became a whole different thing actually. But which is why I'm doing it now. So as of right now, what we're doing is we're cooking our chicken inside our header. I have the other piece of chicken right there because it didn't actually take the other side of the header. It's actually much more tighter. There's something over it. I don't know what it is. I didn't feel like sitting there fighting it, so we just have the 1 piece of chicken on the left side of the engine cooking. Who knows? I don't know how long it's gonna take. So I don't know if I'm gonna go drive all the way to school, because my school is about 45 minutes away. And it's a lot of parkway driving, so I don't want to burn the chicken, and you know, I don't want my chicken burning and then have it smell burnt chicken in the car. But I don't know. I'm hoping. Oh, my water bottle. That's sad. It just fell. But yeah. So I'll pick this back up from, if I start smelling something cooking, I'll start saying something, or if I get to my checkpoint I want to go to check on the chicken and see how it feels and stuff. All right, guys. So I'm starting to smell the chicken. sounds decently good. Alright guys, we're in a plaza near the I keep saying turnpike. It's not the turnpike, it's 295 interstate. Let me go park. Oh god, go park somewhere. Oh, I smell the chicken. I smell the chicken a lot actually. Let's see. Alright. I think I smelled it burning too, so it'll be very interesting to see. Yeah, to be honest, I didn't plan for this, so I don't know how I'm getting this out of my truck, my thing yet. So we're just gonna go see if we can get this thing out of the. Oh shit! My car is dirtier than. Oh, she's sizzling. Let's see if I can get this thing freaking out of here, though. Okay, come on. Oh god. Oh, she's juicing. Oh. She was juicing out. Yeah, at least it smells good in here. Well, they didn't make it that big of a mess down here, at least. Doesn't look like it only dripped when I ripped it open. Alright. How hot is this? Alright, she's okay, she is hot. That was like so ghetto what I'm doing right now, but it's okay. If you're on the road, you're on a midnight road trip for like 18 hours and you just want to cook a piece of chicken, you don't have nothing to cook it with, you might just have to do this. So this is a good example. Okay, hold on. We're about to get to the juicy part now. Okay, she is. Ooh, look at that steam. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but she is steaming. Oh, that's hot though. Oh, I wrapped this up really good actually. Alright, oh. She's a spicy one. Okay. So that's what she looks like. That's what she looks like, guys. Alright, we'll try the Zach when we get back to the... Actually, you know what? Okay, we're gonna try it right here. So, there's a piece, so... Oh. It's hot. The seasoning tastes good at least. I got a piece of chicken, but the chicken looks like she's cooked thoroughly through. Oh. That's actually really good. That is like cooked perfect. Yeah. There she is. There's the inside. Oh. That's actually really, really good. I did not expect this to taste such good, actually. I might just sit here and eat this right now. But, I may do a second take on this with the other piece of chicken, and we'll time it 15 minutes in cooking it, and I'll see it so in a daylight. So this be like just like, you know, this is like if you're traveling at nighttime and you want to cook a piece of chicken, this is what she's gonna come out to look like, and you know, yeah, it's a delicious snack. That's actually really good. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. That's why I'm gonna do a daytime video of this too, but. It's actually really good. It's like so tender and everything too. Like look, it just rips apart. Nice and easy, just like a piece of fish. Yeah, looks like a piece of fish, honestly. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Comment down below what you guys want me to cook next. What other things do you want me to see cook? So, if you guys enjoyed the video, like I said, leave a like down below. Comment down below what you want to see me cooked. And subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next one.